Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to integrate Acuity scheduling with our Mailchimp account. So here I have two tabs open. I have my Acuity scheduling dashboard, and then I also have my Mailchimp dashboard. So in order to start, so for example, you want to integrate some forms into your Mailchimp. So we will just click on intake form questions and we will create a new custom form. And then from here, we will edit our form in whatever that we like. So for example, we want the customer to subscribe to our newsletter. And then we can put some sample description. Join our newsletter. And then we can add some more questions. So maybe we want to put like a checkbox. And then, for example, we want to ask the customer if they want to join our newsletter. And then we'll leave it the checkbox as blank since we will be giving the customer an option to agree or to disagree in joining our newsletter. So if you're done with this, you can just save the question and form. And then once we're done, we can go to integration so that now we can connect this into our Mailchimp account. So we'll go to integrations, then we will click on email marketing. And then there we have different options to integrate with Acuity. But of course, since this video will be focusing on Mailchimp, we will click on Mailchimp. We'll click on the setup button. And then in order to connect to Mailchimp, first, we need to have an API key. So I will create a sample API key in my Mailchimp account. So let's go to Mailchimp. And then to find your API key, let's just click the picture of your account right here. Then you will need to click on profile. After clicking your profile, go to extras and then go to API keys. And then let's scroll down, and then currently we don't have any API keys created. So we can create a new one. For example, I will create a key right here. And then if you will have your API key, you will need to name it first. So for example, I want to name it as Acuity Integration API key. And then we will generate the key. And then here is our key. Then we will copy this to our clipboard. And then we will now paste this into Acuity to be able to connect our Mailchimp and Acuity account. So I will paste my API key right here. And then we will just click on connect to Mailchimp. And then we have successfully saved the settings. And then to add more options, you can select a list that we will integrate into our Mailchimp. So for example, select a list right here. Or if you have new appointments, and since we've created a form, we will go with this one. For example, we will select subscribe to our newsletter. Do you want to join our newsletter? This is what we have created earlier. Then we will select this, and then we will save this list. So we need to also select a Mailchimp list first. So we will just select the sample list that I have right here, and then we will select again to subscribe to our newsletter form. And then we will save this list. And then now we're done integrating our Mailchimp and our Acuity account. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add and integrate your Mailchimp with your Acuity account. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.